Okay, welcome to the live Forex chat room. Today it's already Friday, May 9th, sorry, May 10th in Australia. And we have one open trade right now. You happen to be looking at the Euro Pound where I just got in. Just trying to pay for the spread. Shorted it on the break of the pink box from a few minutes ago. We got filled at 0.8436. And you can see that we're in a downtrend across all time frames. You happen to be looking at the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to adjust our stop. You see here, this is the generic 20 pip stop, but I'm going to move it down. This is the pivot. I'm going to move it down to somewhere in this level. Okay, and it's got a good potential to break out. I'm going to show you the 1-hour chart on the Euro Pound. Okay, this is the 1-hour chart on the Euro Pound. Looks like a head and shoulder, this being the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and we could go down to this level here. Um, let's see, the target here is 20 pips right now, 84.16. I see some congestion here, and this will be an area where we might pause, which is the previous day's low, which is about 84.30, about six pips away here. Okay, so and I'll also describe a couple of pending trades that I have. The first one is the Australian dollar. Okay, so just looking at the 1-hour chart, Australian dollar yesterday had employment news which was positive, so it went up. But right at the US session, everything just collapsed down to the 100.52 level or lower, 100.40 something level. So I'm looking for this now to continue to the downside, one more move to the downside. So let's go look at the 15-minute chart on the Australian. Okay, so you can see continuation up. And it fits all my criteria. Price is below the moving average and below the close. All my candles are red. So we're selling this 1 pip below the low of the pink box. Okay, now finally a review of the 5-minute chart on the Australian, and you can see that we went down, consolidated here, and we're gonna get triggered right here, 1.0080. Okay, and then the final setup I have is the Euro Yen, which I'll describe with a chart. Yeah, the Euro Yen right now is at 131.18. Again, all the yen pairs busted out after 4 days of consolidation here. It busted to the top after the US session. This is a 1-hour chart. Actually, this happened about 6 hours ago or 7. So we're looking for continuation here, looking at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, you can see here that the pink box has nicely formed. This is my Asian open box, which should finish in about 30 more minutes. And you can see we're right in the middle. And at the time I placed this order, actually it's going to trigger to the upside here. It's a buy stop. So, but at the time I placed the buy stop, the price was actually down here. So, okay, so the break of the pink box, we want to be long. Okay, so we just wait to see if these trades will trigger. Okay, guys, so the second trade triggered, which is the Australian dollar sell stop that we talked about at 100.80. It triggered. We're up currently 4 pips. And you can see that the low from yesterday in the US session was 1.0045. This is our 20 pip target here. Okay, so we're yeah, this is very justified here. Maybe we might change it later to 18 or 17 to cover the close of the candle, but let's just hold on to this trade, okay? Everything looks good. Another trade triggered, which is the Euro Yen long. I'm gonna go ahead and open a chart on the Euro Yen so that we don't have to keep going back and forth among these pairs. There, you can see the Euro Yen, we're up 5 pips on this trade, which, you know, we're 7 pips. We're just looking at this for the very first time. In fact, when I placed this trade, we were actually down here. And I think I mentioned to the people in the room that, you know, I don't care if it's down here pointing down. If it goes long, I want to be in that trade. So apparently it's paying out for us. So we're up 7 pips here. Where's my target here? Okay, so we'll just use the generic plus 20 target. And we've got plenty of room to go because the previous day's high is still at 131.77. So it's got about 25 more pips to go from where we are. Okay guys, quick update on our trades. The Aussie dollar is up almost 14. It is up 14 pips. And the Euro Yen is up almost 10 pips here, 9.9, up 11. So I've set both of these trades to a target default of plus 20. And the Euro Pound is just at the entry. Okay, so okay, 3 more pips on the Australian dollar. Okay, there we're up 18 on the Australian dollar. Very tempting to close one of them, huh? 18.4. Let's see if we're gonna get lower. 19. There. We limited out. Can you guys see that? It disappeared from my screen. That means we hit our target on the Australian for 20 pips. So 1 down and 2 to go. Meanwhile, the Euro Yen is up 5. Euro Pound is up 1. Okay guys, so the Euro Yen is we're up 8 pips again, and the Euro Pound up 2. So 10. Like I said, we'll hold off to about 15 or 20 pips because it's got a good potential for to rise in the Euro Yen. Yes, we're up 10 pips again, 11 on the Euro Yen. You can see, I don't know, this is enough profits for you. Where you want to hold on, but I think for me, considering we already made 20 on the Aussie, I'm gonna go ahead and close this, guys. There, I just closed my trade for 10.6 pips. So we have 30.6 pips for the day, and we have 1 open trade left, which is the Euro Pound, currently down 1. Okay, sorry about that. Okay,